Hello and welcome back to the course. In this module, we will cover architecture development iteration. We could say that this iteration essentially forms the core of ADM. Technically, it includes phases B to F, with each phase focusing on business architecture, information systems architecture, technology architecture, opportunities and solutions, and migration planning phases, respectively. The last two phases mentioned just now, that is phases E and F, corresponding to opportunities and solutions and migration planning, are also part of another smaller iteration called transition planning iteration, which is actually subsumed by the architecture development iteration. Although that being the case, in this module, we will be restricting ourselves to discussing only phases B to D, and the next module will cover the transition planning iterations in more detail. Each of phases B, C, and D focuses on different architecture domains. However, they all work with a common high-level set of objectives, which are twofold. The first objective is to come out of this iteration with a reasonably complete version of architecture definition, which can then be taken to implementation. Hence, to this end, the team picks up the target architecture developed by the architecture vision phase covered in previous module and further validates and fleshes out the same across the four architecture domains, namely the business, data, applications, and technology domains. Validation in this case typically involves further testing if the architecture addresses stakeholder concerns and if it is in alignment with the overall architecture vision, and if the business is ready for these changes. The second objective covered by these phases include arriving at a pragmatic candidate roadmap to achieve the identified target state in the most effective and efficient way possible by working through the enterprise's particular context and circumstances.